What if I told you that in 2025, your Instagram account could be more than just a place for selfies, and scrolling it could actually be your gateway to real income? Instagram has transformed into one of the most powerful platforms for beginners to start making money online, with endless opportunities from brand deals to digital products and even affiliate marketing. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to turn your Instagram into a money-making machine. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss a single tip that can help you build your online income empire. 1. Setting up a professional profile. The very first step to making money on Instagram in 2025 is building a strong and professional profile. Your bio is your business card, and it tells people instantly what you're about. A clear username, high-quality profile picture, and a bio that explains the value you provide make all the difference. Beginners often ignore this, but brands and followers judge you by your presentation. A professional-looking account builds trust, and trust turns into followers. Followers turn into customers, and customers bring in income. Think of your profile as your shopfront. It must look attractive, credible, and engaging. 2. Choosing your niche. If you're a beginner, one of the most powerful decisions you can make is picking the right niche. A niche gives your account focus and attracts the right audience who are actually interested in your content. Instead of posting random things, create content that sticks to your theme: fitness, travel, fashion, food, or finance. By narrowing your focus, you stand out and make it easier for people to follow you. Brands also prefer influencers with clear niches because they know exactly what audience they'll reach. Your niche becomes your online identity, and with the right one, making money becomes much easier. 3. Creating engaging content. Content is king on Instagram, and in 2025, Reels, carousels, and stories dominate attention. Beginners need to focus on creating valuable, engaging, and entertaining content that hooks viewers within the first few seconds. The algorithm rewards accounts that keep people scrolling and interacting. Use trends, but add your own twist to stand out. Every post should have a purpose, whether it's to educate, inspire, or entertain. When you deliver consistent value, your audience grows, and with growth comes opportunities to monetize. 4. Growing your audience organically. You don't need paid ads right away. Beginners can grow an Instagram audience organically by understanding the algorithm. Posting consistently, using the right hashtags, collaborating with small creators, and engaging with your followers are key. Growth on Instagram is about relationships, not just numbers. Replying to comments, answering DMs, and being authentic builds loyalty. Loyal followers trust your recommendations and support your offers. Growth is a gradual process, but once you master organic strategies, your account becomes attractive to brands. 5. Leveraging Instagram stories. Instagram stories are one of the most underrated money-making tools in 2025. They create direct, personal connections with your audience. You can use polls, Q&A, and stickers to engage and learn what your followers want. Stories disappear after 24 hours, but they leave lasting impressions because they feel raw and authentic. Beginners can use stories to showcase products, share behind-the-scenes content, or drop affiliate links. When people feel close to you through stories, they're more likely to trust and buy from you. 6. Affiliate marketing on Instagram. One of the easiest ways for beginners to start making money is through affiliate marketing. You promote products you like, share your unique link, and earn a commission when someone buys. Instagram in 2025 makes this easier with clickable stickers and story links. The key is promoting products you genuinely believe in. Your audience will sense authenticity, and that drives sales. With consistency, affiliate marketing can grow into a full-time income stream. Beginners love this method because there's no need to create products, just recommend what already works. 7. Partnering with brands. As your account grows, brands will want to work with you. Sponsored posts, shoutouts, and collaborations can turn into serious income. But you don't need 100,000 followers to land deals. Even micro-influencers with 1,000 to 10,000 followers are in demand. Brands care more about engagement than numbers. Beginners should focus on creating professional media kits and reaching out to brands directly. Every sponsored collaboration adds credibility to your account. Over time, brand partnerships can become one of the biggest income streams on Instagram. 8. Selling your own digital products. Once you build an audience, you can monetize by selling your own products like ebooks, courses, or templates. Digital products are powerful because they cost nothing to reproduce and can be sold endlessly. Beginners can start small, like creating a guide or checklist, and sell it directly through Instagram shops or links. Digital products position you as an authority in your niche and bring passive income. You create it once, and it keeps generating sales. 9. Using Instagram shops. Instagram now allows you to set up shops directly on your profile, and beginners can sell physical or digital products without needing a website. Shops turn your profile into a mini e-commerce store. Followers can browse and buy without leaving the app. This seamless process makes it easier to convert likes into purchases. Beginners can start with simple products or even dropshipping. Instagram shops combine social media with online business, making it possible for anyone to sell instantly. 10. Monetizing with subscriptions and badges. Instagram has introduced more ways for creators to earn directly, including subscriptions and live badges. Subscribers pay a small fee for exclusive content, while badges let followers support you during live streams. Beginners can use these tools to create extra value for their most loyal fans. Exclusive content can include tips, tutorials, or behind-the-scenes access. These features provide recurring income, something every beginner should aim for. With subscriptions, you don't just rely on brands, you create a community that supports you directly. And that's how beginners can make money on Instagram in 2025, step by step, using strategies that anyone can start applying today. From setting up a professional profile to monetizing with affiliate links, shops, and brand deals, the opportunities are endless if you stay consistent and creative. Remember, your first $200 on Instagram will not just be about the money, it will be about the belief that you can actually build something powerful online. If you found this video valuable, hit the subscribe button right now so you never miss future tips that could transform your social media into income.